Hello guys, welcome to my video number 20. So in this video we are going to learn about how to reset WordPress password with email ID or without email ID. Yes, exactly. Suppose in anyhow or any condition you forget your password, or you don't remember your password what you entered, or you are trying to like enter wrong password again and again, and what happened WordPress he blocks you, and he doesn't allow you to like log in after some time. So for safe side, suppose if you try 2 or 3 times, just leave that, don't do again and again, otherwise you will be banned and this kind of thing. So the safest side, you can reset your password with the help of email id or without email id too. But you if you think like someone using your backend and you want to reset your password too, so backend side you can do it. So how you can change through backend? Just you need to go user and click all users, and just over the mouse on admin and click edit, and here you can set a new password. Just you need to type a new password here, and you can generate whatever you want. Even WordPress suggests you that this password you can use for your admin access. You can just copy and save somewhere, and that's it. You need to just click on update, and your new password would be generated. Now I have logged out my WP admin, and now I'm trying to log in. Actually already this kind of error. Suppose I have know the username, but so here you can see incorrect password 2 times left. So I have only a 2 left. So after that my WordPress blocked me. So what I can do, I just create a lost your password. Just click this, and you must remember whenever you were creating a install or creating or installing WordPress, you had entered a email id, registered email id, and on that registered id you must have received a one welcome message from WordPress site. Okay, so you just need to create here, and you can enter username if you remember, but safest side, just enter only email id, because username can be, suppose I have a name of Sachin, so another anyone have a Sachin name also. So you if first condition, you must have a unique username. In case unique name is username is common, so you can use email id. So you can enter email id here, and once you enter, you will receive a mail, and it shows me like we will send you, and you can log in here. Third method I am sharing, how you can reset your password. Already I shared in database video, but I am here sharing with you practical. So just go to your database option and PHP my admin. Here we are not updating any database and nothing, we are just generating password for our admin. So suppose you have a cPanel password, you are the owner of cPanel. Just click your database. Left hand side you can see your database, and go to users, click on users, and here you can the password, just double type your password. So here what you can do, you don't do direct, okay, just click edit, and here you go MD5 and enter your password, whatever you want password, and once you done, it would be redirected, converted to your MD5 format. Okay, so just remember this step, MD5 and your password. Once you done, just click on go, and this way you can create your password, and later you can go your, and here you can log in your, and this way you can log in your password. Okay, hope you like this video and you learn a lots of new things, and coming video I'll teach you more about WordPress, more advanced settings. And thank you guys, I'll catch you next video. Okay, bye, take care.